Guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can change your Epic Games email without verification. So at first search Epic Games on your laptop or PC, Google Chrome, and then tap on this first one that comes up. Once you do, you have to just press on this one and delete this part and then just type in help. And then once it loads, scroll down until you see this Epic Game Store, and then at the bottom you'll see this option called Contact Us, and there you go. Put your platform if you're using Mac or PC, and then say, hey, I have lost control of my current email and I can't access it, and then put the email with which you want them to contact you. Suppose, please contact me on. Make sure you put your email. This is just a random one, and then just say thank you. And then once you submit an email request, it's going to check your ticket, and within I think 24 hours or 7 days, they will get back to you, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.